temporology. Thank you.
Good morning. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude today. It brought me to Germany in my youth for a very short visit, but it opened me new horizons, and they expressed their ideas, which became pointing ideas for me in temporology. So Goethe wrote, any person born 10 years earlier or later would have become quite another being. And Schiller added, we are citizens of an age as well as of a state. And Karl Jaspers added, I am what my time is. All three expressed the same idea or intuition. We are not only the results of our decisions, but also of our historical time. But history now doesn't have any common framework for temporal structures. We have calendars for years and seasons, but we don't know how to express our cultural atmosphere. We can describe wars and discoveries and revolutions, but we still struggle to compare historical years as parts of larger pattern. Temporology emerged to answer this problem. It is an interdisciplinary study of time across natural studies or sciences as well as of humanities. And it studies definitions, measurements of time, and manifestation of time in physics, biology, as well as history and human lives and cultural development. At the last year gathering, I presented a poster which summarized 3 decades of research in temporology, and it studied long cycles, synchronicity, emotional archetypes, biographical patterns, astronomical configurations. Across different kinds of studies, similar structure appeared, and it led to a revival of the ancient theory of philosophy of the 4 elements. This year, we entered with temporology a new stage, data-driven temporology. It is a pilot study when AI system was tasked to describe groups of years which were selected only by configurations, astronomical configurations. AI didn't know any predefined labels, historical labels, or interpretations. And the result was AI systems independently retrieved historical events, identified common features, generated semantic descriptions, and classified crisis levels. And at the enter, we had just, as you can see there, the numbers of years. But at the end, we had something very special. Crisis years and sometimes element which was responsible for these crises. An invariant result emerged. The 4 elements appeared not simply as symbolic archetypes, but as different modes of perceiving reality itself. Fire emphasized energy, earth, form, air, intellect, water, feelings. According to AI analysis, history may be understood not only as a series of events, but as a shifting dominance of different modes of perception. Earlier temporological studies suggested that people and historical generations perceive reality through different optics. Nobel Prize winner physicist Max Born admitted that he perceived reality through colored glasses. Today, AI research gives this observation a new depth. It may be that we all look and view and perceive reality through different glasses. It means that conflicts may arise not only from competing convictions, but also from incompatible modes of perception. People may literally experience reality differently. This understanding also changes the meaning of our relationships. Respect and tolerance is not merely accepting opinions we dislike or consider wrong. It is understanding why other people see reality differently. This situation might be compared to a blood transfusion. Just as incompatible blood types may create hidden biological tensions, incompatible modes of perception may create invisible tensions between communities, people and family, and of course, even between different historical epochs. Recognizing these differences is the first step toward finding solution. Newton's discovery of gravitation did not bind us to Earth. It enabled space flights. Perhaps the same may be one day true for time. Understanding temporal structures may shift us from blind submission to historical forces toward a more conscious relationships with them. Temporological research suggests that we cannot bring humanity to a single viewpoint. It is impossible. It is unrealistic. And what is realistic, perhaps, is that we can still seek ways to align different modes of perception. In this sense, understanding time may help us to understand each other. And I hope that it will be done one day. Thank you very much for your attention.
Questions? Okay. Thank you.